is ready now to move to the Chilika with all these cold drinks and the food materials that are brought up. The cooking is taking place inside the boat. The boat is ready. Let's go to the Chilika. Let's see how the dolphins are, how the sea view is. Let's see everything. Let's discover. And this is the boat, and this is artificial tunnel type that is being created to pass the boats to go in deep inside this view. We'll see different types of birds, different types of dolphins. Let's see how the Chilika is. Let's discover Chilika today. Let's go. Bye bye. Yeah. Birds that are flying outside that boat. When the boat moves, the feces come out of the water, and these birds come and pick the feces and go away. And there are thousands of birds who come into these thousands and thousands of birds who come from different continents to this Chilika in this winter season and also the rainy season. It looks a very beautiful view of this all to see all these birds. It's extraordinary view in the time of winter season at the Chilika. That's why Chilika is famous for the winter birds. They come from all the continent. So we got to see many different types of varieties of bird. And in that boat only we are preparing the food. You can see all these foods that is pampered, that is ready to serve. And we are taking this pampered, the food that is whole food that is from our beginning of the startup till the end. Everything was prepared in that boat only. So the journey with cooking at the same time, it was really awesome thing. And it was a really great thing. You can see the pampers. We are now eating the pampers, giving the pampers to everyone. It's cooked inside the boat only. So it's really awesome thing that the food is prepared in that boat only, and we'll be taking the pampers. After eating all this now the
dolphin 8 আছে এই পাখের আছে পুরো এই হতা ডঙ্কা পাখের ডলফিন আছে এইটার বলছি ডলফিন আছে.
There are like 7 to 8 dolphins that are roaming around our boats. Yes, you can see in some time the dolphins.
ও ভাই রে কি বড়িয়া আসলে ভিউটা ও হতা ও স্যার সাউন্ড করছেন স্যার. Welcome to this Chilika Lake. We have seen the dolphins and now we are moving, and our that also.
This is the scenic view of Chilika.
That point till that sea view where we'll be seeing that where the Chilika meets that Bay of Bengal. Entire journey is full of birds. Only winter birds. They are coming from different places. Some are from Odisha also. It's only full of birds. From starting till the end, you will be seeing only birds and birds. Yes, this is the place where we are meeting. The Chilika is meeting the Bay of Bengal. We have reached the place in some time. Bye bye.
This is the Chilika sea view. Chilika is entering to the sea, Bay of Bengal. This is the place. Yes. Yo,
that's a hotel, that's a cottages.
These are the cottages where the cooking is taking place. We're reaching there in some time.
ये कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं हो गया?
Now this place, that this side, this is the left side, this is the Chilika, these are the boats that we came from this boat, and this is a type of this sand mountain. It's a big mountain. From this top, this mountain you can see left side Chilika, and right side that portion, at the right side you can see this is the Bay of Bengal, and waves have been created, and this is the place where the Chilika and the Bay of Bengal meets. It's called the sea mouth, and it's called Muhana in Odia. You can see this is the best view, and these are the cottages where you can stay at the night. It costs around 1500 per night. You can stay here. There are also bathroom attached. Now moving to the Bay of Bengal. Let's see.
प्री वेडिंग सब बढ़िया बढ़िया फोटो सब उठाई वीडियो प्री वेडिंग सब केत हम 8-10 दिन पूर्व फोटो उठेक सेट देखौ ना तुम से जो बाहागर भीतर जानू के आजकल हंदी फंक्शन है फंक्शन सपोर्ट सुनी ना बोलबो दुनिया कुआडे होला है सुनी तमरा है नहीं ना सर वीडियो को
To the place where the Chilika will be meeting the Bay of Bengal. The view is very, very beautiful. The water color is changing. It's getting more deeper and deeper as we are moving towards the sea. The color of the water is now totally blue. This is our driver. Now the waves are little high, so the boat moving to the boat is little tough now. So the water, see the water, it's completely blue now. The water has changed.
ना मोहन डाडो केता टिको कौन डी को मोहन केता को कौन और भाई लाइफ जैकेट रख ना भाई डोंगाटा बुड़ी होगी
ना लागु ची बुडला
और होता डोंगाटा ए डोंगाटा बुड़ी और देखेगी Well, that is the sea. You can see the Bay of Bengal, and this is the Chilika, and this is sea mouth. Everyone call it as sea mouth, place where the Chilika lake it meets the Bay of Bengal. You can see the waves. We cannot go more deep inside because the waves are too. It's like little deep. This is the sea at that side, and this is the Chilika. We came from that Chilika, and this is the sea beach, Bay of Bengal. The whole view I am seeing.
In this place, the moving to the boat is little tough because in this place here, the Chilika water is going to the sea and the sea water is coming to the Chilika. So there is a huge turbulence, and moving the boats inside is little tough. The wind is little very high. The waves of the water are too tough, and the water is totally blue. Eating back in the place now. The lunch is ready. The lunch is, I've got the rice, the dal, the salad, the paneer, the pampad, everything I've got inside the boat. Everything was cooked and ready. After seeing that sea view, now we have come to this place, and the meal is very superb. Eating the lunch at the boat is also a very enjoyable moment. You can see this is the place where we're eating the salad. The lake is one of the best places of Odisha. Many thousands of visitors come every day to see the dolphins, the fishes, and different types of birds to this Chilika. The place is really awesome. The evening of Chilika is really awesome. So at your life, surely visit a Chilika with this boat and prepare the food inside the boat. It's a very beautiful moment. You will enjoy the day at Chilika. Bye bye and have a great day. Bye bye.